Hi, hello, welcome to Vision classes. It's a classes for IGCSE, GCSE and IB student. Today we are gonna discuss one of the interesting topic, that's a chain rule of a differentiation. So yesterday some of my student asking me about the chain rule and revision of chain rule. So I thought why not to make one video and put on YouTube so that everyone will enjoy the chain rule. This is very simple concept and you will get the question. They will not straight away ask apply the chain rule or use the chain rule to solve the following example and things like that. You have to apply your mind and use this chain rule, getting it? So here, what's a chain rule? Basically, you have to take the differentiation twice. So here dy by dx is equal to, firstly you have to differentiate dy by du, means y function with respect to u, times du by dx, getting it? So see, we'll understand through example. Let's say we have a y is equal to 3x square minus 5 raised to 7. So here basically we have to firstly assume, let here u is equal to 3x square minus 5. So we assumed that this 3x square means 3x square minus 5 is equal to u. So your y function will be here y is equal to u raised to 7, isn't it? So see, here you got the function u, right, and function y. Okay, so this function y you have to differentiate with respect to u, means you have to take dy by dx. So dy by dx is, here you have to use the d by dx of x raised to n formula. Recall this formula and just tell me, here x raised to n is n x raised to n minus 1. So here 7 u raised to 7 minus 1, that's a, it's a 7 u raised to 6. And here this is u function and you have to differentiate with respect to x, isn't it? I hope you might have been enjoying this video. So here du by dx is equal to, now here this is 3x square is a variable term and this negative 5 is a constant term. So constant term derivation is 0. So here 3 times this x square again you have to differentiate using this formula, x raised to n formula, right? So 2 x raised to 2 minus 1, which is equal to 3 times 2 is 6x. This is what you got, du by dx. Now put in this formula. So here this is dy by dx is equal to dy by du times du by dx, getting it? So if you put in the formula this one, dy by dx is equal to, firstly this one dy by du is 7 u raised to 6 times du by dx is 6x, getting it? And this u you have to again put back this u, which is 7 u is 3x square minus 5 times 6x. You can simplify it further. 6 times 7 is 42x, then 6 actually, 3x square minus 5 raised to 6. Okay, so yes, this is the answer, getting it? So this means you have to apply it. Then nextly you have to take the du by dx and dy by dx, getting it? We'll understand through few more example, fine? So here let's say you have a example, another example, y is equal to 2 over 5 x square minus 1 raised to 5, fine? Now in this case again you have to take this part to the numerator. Firstly simplify this one. So here you can write like this as well, y is equal to 2 times 5x square minus 1 raised to negative 5, getting it? Now you have to assume here, let here u is equal to 5x square minus 1, right? And then y, your y function will be y is equal to 2 u raised to negative 5, getting it? This is what we will get after simplification, right? Then again you have to use d by dx of x raised to n, which is equal to n x raised to n minus 1. So here apply this rule, dy by dx, which is equal to 5 times 2x raised to just a 1, right? So it will be just a 10x, and for this one here you will get dy by dx is equal to 2 times negative 5 u raised to negative 5 and negative 1, it's a negative 6. Getting it? Then again you can put here, put back this value of u as well here, or you can simplify it in a next step, no worry. Okay, so our formula for chain rule is dy by dx is equal to dy by du times, getting it? So it's a dy by du, keep in mind. Then du by dx. So what's a dy by du we got here? It's a negative 10 u raised to negative 6 times 10x. Getting it? 10x. Fine. Then just put back this value of u we put earlier, right? So it's a 10 times 10 is negative 100 x, and u is 5x square minus 1 raised to negative 6. This is the value of dy by dx. Okay, this is how, means you have to apply the chain rule. Getting it? So suppose you have to take, means even differentiate the bracket part as well, then in that case means you have to apply the chain rule. Keep in mind these things. That's a pretty simple. Then nextly we have a, let's say, function y is equal to 3 over x square root of x square plus 2x. Fine, this is the function we have. So here we have to firstly assume or just simplify this one y. Okay, so y is equal to 3x square plus 2x raised to negative 1 by 2. We can write it like this as well, because this is root is basically just a x square plus here 2x x square plus twice x raised to just a 1 by 2. Fine, and if you transfer it to the numerator it will be negative 1 by 2. Now firstly let assume here u is equal to x square plus 2x, then your function will be, y function will be, I will just write down here, y is equal to 3 u raised to negative 1 by 2. Fine, so differentiate this u with respect to x, du by dx is twice x plus 2. This is the differentiation you got, and dy by du is equal to 3 times negative 1 by 2 u raised to negative 1 by 2 minus 1, right? So it will be 3 negative 1 by 2 u raised to negative 3 by 2. That's it. Okay, so it's a negative 3 by 2 actually, right? So now put in the chain rule, right? So chain rule is dy by dx is equal to dy by du times du by dx. Getting it? So yes, okay, so before we move ahead to this solution part, we have started, means our regular batches and regular classes as well. So suppose if you want to join with us, you can contact us. I have left the contact in the description box. Okay, yes, we provide affordable classes for all the students. So we have a student across more than 5 to 6 countries. Getting it? We have a faculty for maths, physics, biology, chemistry, and English as well. So here put out this dy by du, it's a negative 3 by 2 u raised to negative 3 by 2 times du by dx is just a 2x plus 2. Then you can take out 2 here and simplify it further, negative 3 by 2 times 2x plus 1. Then put out here u value, u is x square plus 2x raised to negative 3 by 2. Okay, and transfer it to the denominator and make the power positive. Okay, so here 2 get cancelled out, and at a numerator you will be having 3x plus 1 divided by x square plus 2x raised to just a 3 by 2. It's a dy by dx. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Share it with your friend and subscribe to our channel. That's it. Bye bye. Take care.